Vigorous intermittent lifestyle. Physical activity, or VILPA, refers to short, intense bursts of physical activity, typically 1 to 2 minutes long, that are incorporated into daily tasks rather than being a planned exercise session. Examples of VILPA include running for a bus, briskly walking while running errands, or energetically playing with children. Performing VILPA has been linked to significant reductions in mortality risk from all causes, cardiovascular disease, and cancer, and offers an accessible way for people to improve their health. What makes VILPA different? Incidental and integrated, VILPA is part of your everyday life, not a structured gym workout. Short bursts, the activity is done in brief, high-intensity bouts, not sustained exercise. Requires no equipment, you don't need special clothing or fitness equipment to perform VILPA. Free and accessible, it's a cost-free and can be done almost anywhere. Examples of VILPA: running to catch a bus, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, power walking during errands, playing high-energy games with children or pets, carrying heavy loads, such as bricks, pushing a lawnmower fast or shoveling vigorously, playing energetically with kids or pets, chasing, running, jumping, cycling fast for a short distance, like going up a hill, doing household chores with intensity, vacuuming quickly, scrubbing floors. Health benefits of VILPA. Reduced mortality risk. Studies show VILPA is associated with a significant reduction in the risk of dying from all causes, heart disease, and cancer. Addresses barriers to exercise. VILPA provides a flexible and less daunting way to incorporate physical activity for people who find structured exercise difficult or unappealing. Please click the like button and subscribe if you think this video is useful. On the screen, you see an essential video for you. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in the next video.